This is Chef Yashwant from Novel College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही अच्छी बेसिक कॉन्टिनेंटल रेसिपी। इसका नाम है व्हाइट सॉस। व्हाइट सॉस ये बेशमल सॉस के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। तो सॉस के बारे में हम पहले थोड़ी सी जानकारी ले लेंगे। As you know that in Indian cuisine, for making our main course, we use different kinds of gravies like makhani gravy, brown gravy, then your spinach gravy and all, which thickens the gravy and gives it a color, flavor and texture as well. So sauces ये जो पार्ट है कॉन्टिनेंटल क्विजिन में, उसमें 5 बेसिक मदर सॉस होते हैं और जिसमें ये सबसे पहला जो बेसिक सॉस है जिसका नाम है बेशमल सॉस।
Now let's see the ingredients for bechamel sauce. Milk 500 ml, refined flour 50 grams, butter 50 grams, onion half number, cloves 4 numbers, a bay leaf and salt to taste. Let's see the equipments. A saucepan or fry pan, wooden spoon, wire whisk and a glass bowl.
First we will switch on the gas. Keep the flame lower as we are going to put butter in that. Let the pan get heated. When pan gets heated, we will put this 50 grams of butter. You must take care that any point butter should not get burned. For making of this sauce, we are using the ratio is 1:1:10. That means 1 part of flour, 1 part of butter and 10 parts of the milk. And then we'll put 50 grams of flour. And then gently we have to stir this mixture. We are making roux, that is a thickening agent for our sauce. Now we will allow this to cook gently. Meanwhile, we will keep the milk for boiling. Remember, we are just going to heat the milk till it gets warm. We will put this onion studded with cloves in the milk as well as some bay leaf. Wow, which will give us a very nice aroma. Now our roux is almost done. इसका कलर जो है वो हमें बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं करना है. And roasting in the butter will give you very nice flavor. Milk is heated well now. It has become now warm and a very right temperature at which you should add it in the roux. We will remove this onion studded with clove. Before adding it to the roux, we will also remove another piece of bay leaf. Very gently, we will mix the milk, a flavorful milk, in our roux mixture. First add little milk so that you can have a thick paste of it. Then add little more and stir it vigorously so that you will not have any lumps into that. You can see the nice texture. I am breaking the lumps with the whisk. If you add all the milk all at once, then you may have developed the lumps in that. So to avoid that, what I do, I put half of the milk first, I make it lump free and then I will put milk. Make sure the sauce should not get stick to the pan. Remember, while getting cool, it will thicken more. Now sauce is almost ready. We have already added a pinch of salt in this. Oh wow, it smells so nice. See the small bubbles on the top? So that makes you assure that your sauce is getting cooked now. You can see the consistency. Your lump-free, rich, thick, creamy white sauce is ready to use. Now we will cover it with butter. You have to add the butter when it is hot so that butter will get melt and it will spread away. so you will have a nice coating, a nice surface of the butter or melted butter on the entire top of your sauce, which will not allow skin to get formed. Now friends, we will pour this sauce for the storage in this glass bowl. And the butter which we have added, we will spread it bit so it will not allow skin to form. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe for more new coming videos. Thank you so much.